Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 Under 3, and I'll be covering trading education, more specifically FOREX trading, using the TC2000 and TradingView platforms. Hello, this is the FOREX Week in Review with the 28 FOREX currencies, majors and minors. We're going to start off with the Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. The strategic picture, we got a target of 0.86889. Operational picture, we're looking at in the dragon, below the dragon, and ended up below the dragon. So the majority of the flows were to the downside, and so when we got past the dragon, we have flows with a profit of $744. Aussie dollar, Swiss franc. On the strategic picture, we have a target of 0.51963. Operational flow, major portion of the price action below the dragon. All flows were, however, consolidating above and below the dragon on the tactical picture, which gave us a loss of $1,815. Aussie dollar, Japanese yen, and all the Japanese yen pairs got a strategic target of 105.734. Operational picture above the dragon, cross in the dragon, then below the dragon, then back into the dragon. Flows, on the other hand, on the tactical picture were supportive of both longs and shorts to the downside with a profit of $1,330. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. A strategic picture, we got a target of 1.13985. Price action in the operational picture below the dragon, crossed over and then back below. Flows, again, were consolidating and choppy, especially on that holiday on Monday. Would have been best not to trade this kind of holiday with the low volatility. Basically, you're trading with the brokers on that day. Loss of $102.06. Aussie dollar, US dollar, strategic target of 0.66534. The operational picture all below the dragon, a little bit in the dragon, and then closed above the dragon at the end. Tactical picture was also choppy, going above and below the dragon with a loss of $838. Analysis franc, strategic target of 0.67735, established on the 24th on Friday. Price action in the operational picture below the dragon, crossed above, back below, and then back into the dragon. Again, same chop to the tactical picture with a loss of $1,091. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, no target established. On the strategic picture, price action on the operational picture above the dragon, cross back below, and then back into the dragon. Had some nice flows, however, starting with the initial flows to the upside. This beautiful flow right at Monday afternoon after the holiday, and then cross back below, some nice shorts to the downside with $3,484 profit. Swiss franc, Japanese yen, we have a strategic target of 146.022. Price action on the operational picture above the dragon, into the dragon, then back above and back in. However, great flows caught to the upside with a profit of $4,073. Euro, Aussie dollar, strategic picture price target of 1.74464. Price action on the operational picture above the dragon and closed in the dragon. Same consolidation picture on the tactical side, with a little bit above zero, break even plus dinner for two with $339. Euro, Canadian dollar, no target on the strategic picture. Price action just choppy, it just chewed up the operational picture on the 8-hour. Back above, back below, and same price action on the tactical side with a loss of $1,972. Euro, Swiss franc, established a target to the downside of 0.89056 on the strategic picture on the Friday the 24th. Price action initially below the dragon, back above with kind of a head fake, and then back below the dragon to close right below the dragon at that point. Choppy price action throughout the whole week with a loss of $1,968. Euro, British pound, we have a price target on the strategic picture at 0.89885 to the upside. Price action very choppy at the beginning of the week, and then can try to go back above the dragon, cross below, then back into the dragon. Price action on the tactical picture was the same with a loss of $148. Euro Japanese yen, no price target on the strategic picture. Price action above the dragon on the operational picture, then crossed over below and then back into the dragon. However, we got some nice flows to the upside on the far side of that right after the holiday on that around 5 p.m. Eastern time. Then we got some nice flows to the downside as well with a profit of $1,750. Euro New Zealand dollar, we have a price target at 1.78068 to the upside. Price action was in the dragon, below, crossed back above, stayed above for the majority of the thing, and then back into the dragon. However, we were able to eke out a profit of $627 on these flows to the upside, less the holiday consolidation of losses. Here in New Zealand dollar, no price target on the strategic picture. Very choppy though on the operational picture. Above, below, back below, and back above. Reflected on the overall tactical picture as well with a loss of $400. British pound Aussie dollar, price target at 1.64039 to the downside. Price action above the dragon on the operational picture. Slowly going to the upside, then cross back below on Friday. Price action was choppy also on the tactical picture with a loss of $602. British pound Canadian dollar, no price target on the strategic picture. Price action above the dragon, cross below, very, very choppy, and then back above and then way back below. Reflected on the overall tactical picture with a loss of $2,012. British pound Swiss franc, same thing. No price target on the strategic picture. Price action below the dragon, in the dragon, back below, and reflected on the tactical picture. As you can see here, a lot of chop with a loss of $433. British pound Japanese yen, price target to the upside of 168.929. Price action on the flows for the Japanese yen pairs were very good. Flows to the upside with a profit of $4,986 to the upside. British pound New Zealand dollar, we had a price target of 2.10487 to the upside. Operational picture below the dragon, crossed above, stayed above with a lot of chop, and then went into the dragon and closed below the dragon. Reflected on the tactical picture with a profit of $324. British pound US dollar, no price target on the strategic picture. A lot of chop within the dragon, whipsawing back and forth. All of this is very wicky on the operational picture. As you can see here, reflect on the tactical picture with a loss of $1,857. Zealand Canadian dollar, same thing. No price target on the strategic picture, especially with those two previous large gains that we had on the 2 previous weeks. Looks like it was consolidation week for the majority of the currency pairs. Operational picture above the dragon, cross below, back above, and then back into the dragon. However, with those flows and those crosses, we did get some nice profit of $1,167. Zealand Swiss franc, we got a price target to the downside of 54804. Operational picture price below the dragon in, and then below and kind of consolidated there at below the dragon. We had reflect on the tactical picture with a loss of $330. Zealand Japanese yen, price target to the upside as most of the Japanese yen pairs were, 91.37. Price action on the operational picture was above the dragon, crossed below, and then back into the dragon. Nice flows to the up and downside with a profit of $1,584. Zealand US dollar, no price target on the strategic picture. Price action above the dragon, in the dragon, below, and then back into the dragon and closed above on Friday. Nice flows to both the upside and downside, as you can see here, with a profit of $1,940. US Canadian dollar, no price target on the strategic picture. Price action above the dragon, cross below, back in, back above, and then back below on Friday. Look at this complete collapse here to the downside. So we might get some price targets to the downside on this with a potential double top on the strategic picture. Looking at the tactical picture, a lot of it was some chop, but some nice flows to eke out a profit of $453. US dollar Swiss franc, price target to the downside on the 24th on Friday, set at 0.90381. price action below the dragon for the most part, and even collapse below the 200 moving day average on the operational picture. However, consolidation reflected on the tactical picture, going above and below the dragon with a loss of $1,253. US dollar Japanese yen, no price target on the strategic picture. Price action above the dragon, crossed over, below the dragon, stayed below the dragon. Got some nice flows, however, to the upside. This one right after the holiday, $963.30, and then some price action and chop towards the end of the week. Look at gold, consolidating with a super pinch. Still doesn't know what direction it wants to go to. We do have a price target to the downside at 1636.97 an ounce. However, with the inflationary pictures, I don't see how they can keep suppressing gold prices with treasuries and inflation. Price target changed on the PNF to treasuries to 104.55 on the strategic picture. Remember, that was artificially pumped up with the $9 trillion of bonds that they were putting out on the market to buy up. Looking at Bitcoin, we got a price target of 13,775, so it still has some more room to go, at least by about $8,000 of Bitcoin. So watch out for the cryptos. U.S. oil dipped with that OPEC agreement, with price action down to 107. It did spark a price target of 89.15 with Saudi Arabia now pumping more oil for the U.S. to lower inflation and gas prices. But we'll see if it stays there. Looking at the Dow, price target still at 21,467. And another 10,000 go down, with the NASDAQ and the S&P still figuring out price targets at this point. The initial drop and back above the dragon on the operational picture. Well, folks, that's all I have for the Forex Week in Review. We're currently conducting a Forex Bootcamp and a Forex Intermediate course. If you're interested, click on the link below. We also conduct weekly Forex operations forum, discuss auto trading, our scripts, and best practices throughout the trading week. If you're interested, click on the link below. And remember, ruthless risk management. Have a great weekend, everybody, and I'll see you on Sunday. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like rumble button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information, go ahead and click the course information links below. On the TradingView link and on TC2000, I have an affiliate link. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.